Hi there and welcome to MU Library's tutorials on exam supports. In this video, we will show you how to access exam papers from the library website. We're now going to scroll down through the website to locate a box on the left-hand side titled Quick Links, and this is where you will find a link to the exam papers. Once you've clicked on exam papers, you will be asked to input your Maynooth University student username and password. You can then select Login. You'll be then brought to this page where you will have two different ways to search for exam papers. The first option allows you to use a drop-down menu where you can select your relevant subject, as well as a list of modules associated with that subject. You can also search by module code here. We're now going to select the search icon. Once the search is complete, you can scroll down through the page and locate the exam papers. Here you will see the option to download the exam papers to your PC or laptop, or you will have the option to print the exam paper as well. If you have a query about an exam paper or cannot find an exam paper for a particular course or year, please contact your department. For general queries about using the site, please email library.infoservices@mu.ie.